Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a crane bookmark out of $1. Now I have a playlist full of dollar origami tutorials where I show you how to fold everything that I have here and more. I'll make sure to link to that in the description below as well as at the end of the video. Make sure to check that out. Now the way I'm going to show you starts with the bill face up and it will look like this. But if you want to start with the bill facing down, it will look like this. First, we're going to valley fold in half lengthwise. Let's bring this top edge down to lie along the bottom edge. Just make sure that lines up all the way across and then crease it down. And then unfold. Next, we're going to bring this top edge in to lie along that crease we just made. Now bring the bottom edge up to that same crease. Now unfold both of those. Now I'm going to rotate. Next we're going to valley fold an X up here. So I'm going to take this top edge and line it up with the edge on the left. Crease that down, should go all the way up to this corner, and then unfold. And do the same thing on this side, so bring that edge over to the right edge. All the way out to that corner, and crease it down. And then unfold. And now turn it over. Next we're going to make a valley fold that runs right through the center of that X. So we're going to bring this top edge down to the bottom of the X. Now you can line it up right with where those creases meet the edge. So the corner of the paper should line up perfectly with where that crease meets the edge. Then you can unfold that. And then turn it back over. Now we're going to collapse all those creases at the same time. So we're going to bring these two edges into the center, and it should collapse on the existing creases. Then just press that all down. And it should form a nice little triangle at the top. Next we're going to make a squash fold. So we're going to take this one flap on the right and then make it so it's going vertically, and then you'll open up the pocket inside. And as you do that, you should be able to squash it down symmetrically. Then this crease right here should run vertically all the way up to the top. Should look like that. Next we're going to bring this edge right here in to lie along that center vertical crease. Crease that down. Next we can flip one flap over, just like that. Now we're going to repeat those steps with this flap. So we'll make that squash fold. Just open that pocket up. And then squash it down. Now we're going to bring this left edge into that center crease. Now we can bring just one flap from the right to the left, just like you're turning the page of a book. Next, we're going to bring both of these edges into the center. So we'll start on the right side. Just fold it in like that. Do the same on the left. Next, we need to make a small inside reverse fold. So we're going to do this on the right side. So to do an inside reverse fold, we'll open these flaps apart from each other and then swing this layer down just a little bit. And then as you do that, you'll close those flaps back up. And there'll be a small crease that reverses in that process. So it looks like that. Next, we're going to form a mountain fold that runs right across here, bringing this point down to this edge, but on the back side. So swing that point behind, like that. Then next, we're going to bring both of these edges into the center along existing crease lines, but as we do that, this pocket is going to swing open. So we'll bring those inside. And then as we're folding that up towards the top, this point is swinging upwards. Now once you're close, you're going to make new creases that run from this point up to this top point here on both sides. Should form pretty naturally as you're just swinging that up as far as it'll go. And now turn that over, and then we're all done. Now if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.